These trail running shoes have been re-engineered from top to bottom to make it a great all-around neutral runner. It uses DuoMax tech in the midsole that provides a more stable ride with foam placement on the medial side, offering a firmer density to keep the foot from rotating inward too much. The ASICSGRIP outsole is a rubber compound that is perfect for traction on wet and slippery terrain, and it also uses these uphill and downhill lug patterns for improved agility and a better foot control. The midsole is flight foam and gel tech mixed for better cushioning, especially when traversing over rocks and roots, with its durable rock plate keeping them feeling very flexible. The upper is a breathable mesh with a close to skin feel and a 3D printed TPU design to keep these feeling very supported and durable. It's got a traditional lace up to keep it all secure, and the inside lining is a cushioning textile keeping it breathable with a removable footbed with foam for extra comfort. This shoe is going to keep you secure and comfortable every day, making them a great choice for outdoor exercising.